Well, welcome to another Memphis Monday. I think we got a pretty good project today. Remember last week we discovered this ratty corner here that had clamps and ladders and all kinds of stuff all thrown back in the corner. And I said I didn't like to advertise, but we had to fix that corner. Well, this week we fixed it. Today we're going to build this clamp rack behind me. 9 little brackets that put on the wall to put store stuff horizontally. Most folks store their wood that way, but it also works for large clamps and other long equipment that's infrequently used. Anyway, we're not going to get anything done unless we get excited and get to work, so we better do that. So let's knock off the chatter.
Here's the problem. I got this corner here with those Bora straight edge clamps and these large, and I got these large First thing is to disassemble this wood rack. All that junk and stuff is kind of hiding the dirt, looking pretty ratty over here. Check out that. Let's do some painting. Well, I got about as much painting done as I feel like doing. Let's go invent some brackets to put. Have you ever seen anything so stupid in your life? Let's make a couple of changes and see if we can. Well, I took that knob off. I think it sits out too far. Let me shorten it and see what happens. A little better, but let me try something else. Well, I think it looks more better now. It's maybe a little bit more balanced, but I still don't like another one and see if we can improve on it. Have the back brace protrude up a little in the back so I can nail them into the wall from the top and the bottom. And so I'm in position. You just saw me cutting the braces. Make sure I have enough room. Okay, so I need a hole right there, right there. I stuck the new one up here so you can see the difference. The new one here, for installation purposes, I ran this back brace up about 1.5 inches, and then it also extends down 1.5 inches down here. I also covered this hole here. You can see in the original version, this was just open. This is got a piece of framing in there. Okay, let's see how this one installs. The real long screw technique to put these in. So I have a real long drill to drill into the stud in the back. Now this screw ought to go in. See if it does. Another thing, using that real long drill will tell me if I'm lined up on the stud. Okay, couldn't be any solider. Let's make another one, see if we can improve. Okay, I think we'll just go with this final design here. You saw me, I put an oak. This oak end here is now oak, and it's slanted forward 5 degrees. The plywood is rounded over, and the ends of the braces are rounded over. And I put some gunstock stain on it. Okay, so it means I need to build 9 of these. So you already saw me build this one, so let's just fast forward to after I get all these 9 built and get them installed. Isn't time travel wonderful? Got them all made. They're just identical to that other one we built. Let's install them and see what they look like. Well, it's not, doesn't look too bad. Looks a little odd having them, the center one's kind of offset there a little bit, but I had to follow the studs. But our goal was to clean up that corner, get those clamps off the ground. Got a lot more room back over there for more clamps if I need them. That'll do it for another Memphis Monday. We cleaned up this ratty corner we discovered last week during our shop tour. We built us some racks to hold some clamps and jigs that are infrequently used. And we went through the design process and the building process, the installation process for these brackets. So I guess that's it. I guess we got our money's worth, and can't think of anything else. Oh, yep, I can. Tweet, Facebook, and like and favorite and comment, and I guess that's it. Nope, one more thing. Make sure you're back here next week for another exciting Memphis Monday. Thanks for watching.